perils of not wearing an apron. Hello, so today we're going to be making blueberry liver pate, and you can make this with frozen cranberries as well, but I had some extra wild Alaskan blueberries that I wanted to use up because we're going to be getting new ones soon. So to start out with sauteing the onions and garlic. So I have some fat. In the pan. So I have one clove of garlic and one onion in here. And I'm just going to saute these down. Okay, so I cooked these down for about 15 minutes. So they're nice and brown. I'm going to turn them out onto a plate to cool. Then next I'm going to put another spoonful of lard because we're going to cook the liver. I just rendered this lard last night. Glad I have it today. So, another tablespoon in there. And here's some local beef liver that I got from the butcher's, which is the same place I get the beef suet to make into, the pork suet that I get to make into lard. So this is just cubed, and I'm cooking it on 2. Don't want liver to overcook because otherwise it'll end up tough. I already made the blueberry vinegar reduction sauce. So this is just the vinegar, white vinegar, and the wild Alaskan blueberries. And then I cooked it on medium till it reduced by about half. So the liver looks like it's done now, so it should be a little bit pink in the middle, but not too much. This might be a little bit overdone. That'll be fine. So I'm going to spoon this into the food processor. I'm using a slotted spoon so I don't end up with the liver juice. That helps keep the flavor more mild. Another good tip is to just keep it in your freezer until you're ready to use it, and then defrost it in a bowl of water. And the directions say to do salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to start out with maybe about 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt, just a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. The food processor is broken, so I have to put a spoon to make sure it turns on. Okay, so I'm going to add the honey next. This is raw honey from my dad's bees. Wanted to give the liver a little bit of time to cool down so it hopefully doesn't kill all the good stuff in the honey. Honey is very useful for seasonal allergies, but you need to get it from someone who lives within 5 miles of you. The sweetness also helps cut the bitterness of the liver, and so does the vinegar as well, and the tartness of the blueberries. I'm going to add some more raw blueberries as well. These are frozen, so I think I'll wait. Mix the honey first. Okay, now I'm going to add in the raw blueberries. They're actually already ready out on the taiga. I'm very excited. Get some good fresh blueberries. You really want to make sure this is smooth. You don't want any chunks of onion or liver. Maybe some more blueberries. I have already promised my friend who's getting married in early August I'm going to make blueberry rhubarb pie for her wedding. Okay, I think this will be perfect. Basically, it just looks like purple goop, but it's quite delicious. Can't knock it till you tried it. I'm going to spoon it into several containers, and I keep most of it in the freezer, and I just get out one container at a time. So this was about 2 pounds of beef liver. So I got 4 nice containers here. One's about twice the size of the others. So I'll be putting 3 of these in the fridge, and 3 in the freezer, and 1 will go in the fridge to eat immediately.